Rescue teams in helicopters were pulling stranded people from the most flooded areas in Texas on Monday. Residents used small boats to reach neighbors and others trapped in their homes. Local firefighters joined the rescue efforts. Edmundo Venegas told VOA's Latin American service that his team helped evacuate a flooded community in northern Houston.
We're using Army trucks, school buses, and our apparatus to get everybody out.
Evacuated residents expressed relief.
I'm blessed that they came and got us because it could have been so much worse. So I'm happy.
On Monday, President Donald Trump praised the first responders and others involved in rescue efforts.
We see neighbor helping neighbor, friend helping friend, and stranger helping stranger. And you see that all over. You watch on television, you just see such incredible work and love.
The president pledged the federal government's full support to the affected parts of Texas and Louisiana and said 8,500 federal workers are already involved in the Texas effort.
Recovery will be a long and difficult road, and the federal government stands ready, willing and able to support that effort.
The damage to homes and infrastructure is already visible days before the rain is expected to abate, but officials say their first priority is saving people's lives. Texas Governor Greg Abbott said work to restore electrical power will begin in a day or two.
Without that power, you have a hard time functioning. And so we are pressing forward constantly to make sure that the power is restored.
Trump also approved emergency funds for the neighboring state of Louisiana on Monday at the request of Governor John Bel Edwards.
Of course, it's going to drop a lot of rain the entire time, and as it moves further east, we can expect that those rain bands will also move further east. And so in all likelihood, the worst is yet to come for us in Louisiana.
The Trump administration's budget proposal unveiled in March envisions substantial cuts in federal emergency and flood aid programs. But the president said recovery efforts in Texas and Louisiana will need billions of dollars in aid, which will have to be approved by Congress. Zlarica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.